This video is sponsored by Hunter Engineering. Visit hunter.com for more information.
We are here in Kansas City for the K&M trade show. My name's David Sickels.
I'm Christian Hinton.
Christian, this is one of my favorite trade shows because the vibe is so cool. There are families here. Just people love to get together and see their friends.
That's right.
I love to see my friends here.
Right.
You want to hit the floor?
Let's do it. And we're at the Yokohama booth with David. David, what are you guys showing off today?
Thanks for having me. We're showcasing, it's been in the market for a little bit, but we have our Geolander AT4 3-peak Mountain Snowflake. It's a delicious all-terrain tire. I'm running on my own rig back home right now.
And what do you guys love about K&M dealers?
They answer the phone when you need them. Very responsive. We really love that in our market.
Awesome.
Quintessential.
Awesome.
Thanks, dude.
Thanks, man.
Appreciate it.
Of course.
Teresa, great to see you here in Kansas City at the K&M trade show. Tell me, what are you excited to show off?
Well, we've got a bunch of tires here. Two of my favorites are the N-Cruise S and the Enferra Sport Ultra High Performance tires.
I got to ride on both of these tires late last year. Really, really good stuff. Tell me, why do you love working with K&M?
K&M, they're great people. Family-run company, easy to work with. They care about all their partners.
Yeah.
And just amazing people.
Fantastic. Teresa, thank you so much. Appreciate you.
You too.
All right, we're with Danny in the Hankook booth. And Danny, tell me what you guys are showing off this year.
We're showing off all of our Hankook tires. We're actually presenting the Laughlin tire right here. It's new to K&M. To be carrying, it's actually our new AT2 X-Fit tire for Laughlin that's debuting here at the K&M event.
And what do you guys love about K&M dealers?
K&M dealers, the passion that they bring to the tire industry, their dedication and their loyalty to the Hankook product.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Roland, thanks so much, man.
Of course.
What'd you bring to the show?
So we brought our highest volume tire lines here, but we also brought our Blue Response, which we're excited to launch. We did purchase the Dunlop brand, and we're trying to reinvigorate that brand.
A lot of people are very excited about that.
Yes, yes, and we're trying to get everybody here kind of accustomed to it, and we got a lot of good things going on with this tire.
Right on, right on. And what do you love about K&M dealers?
I mean, they are all just down to earth. This is like we were talking about as a really big family event too.
Absolutely, yeah.
And you kind of feel that with the corporate team as well.
Fantastic. Roland, thank you so much for your time.
Of course, thank you.
Great show.
Yeah, you too.
And we're in the Kumho Tire booth, and I'm with Gene Bova. Gene, thank you so much for joining me.
You're very welcome.
What are you guys excited to show off this year?
So we're really excited to show off some really great new truck tires, including our super regional drive tire over there, which is 3-peak Mountain Snowflake rated, as well as our brand new Kumho RT, Road Venture RT, a really exciting new product for our heavy-duty light truck enthusiasts and the types of tires that they like.
And why does Kumho Tire like working with K&M dealers?
We love K&M dealers because each and every one that we have met is an entrepreneur first and foremost, and they really value their business, and they understand how our products and our programs can help them to achieve their goals in their business.
Gene, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Great to see you.
Christian, always a pleasure being here with you.
You too.
I love this trade show, and man, the vendors, they bring such cool products. We saw a lot of cool tires today.
Absolutely, and we saw a lot of the people that we're good friends with too, our vendors and our tire manufacturer partners and friends.
Yes,
It was great
yes.
to see them.
I love it. Christian,
David,
we'll see you next time.
see you soon.